Come test drive the 2019 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, trip computer, electronic stability control, security system, rear window defroster, power windows, brake assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.